How to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Roblox application. And then what you will have to do is go to its help center. You can do it using your browser or the app itself. Doing it from the browser would be after that, simply contact us, tap on contact us and log into your account. After that, a form will appear where you will have to mention or describe all your problems and tell them that you want to get voice chat on your Roblox mobile application. So the rest is on Roblox support center. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.